In the digestive system, the colon is a vital organ. Its duty is to extract water, salt, vitamins, and minerals from indigestible foods, break down food that was not digested in the small intestine, and eliminate solid waste from the body. Before considering any colon cleaning therapy, see your doctor, especially if you are on any medications or have a health problem. These are the 9 natural remedies that will help you cleaning your colon. Number 1. Water. Drinking enough water is the greatest way to cleanse your intestines. Drinking at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day is essential. This will assist your body in naturally flushing out hazardous poisons and waste. Drinking enough of water will also aid the digestive system's natural peristaltic motion, which aids food movement. Water is also necessary for keeping your body hydrated. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices can be consumed together with water. Number 2. Apple juice. Fresh apple juice is also beneficial for colon cleansing. Drinking apple juice on a regular basis can aid with bowel motions, toxins breakdown, and boost liver and digestive system health. Number 3. Lemon juice. Lemons are healthy for the digestive system since they are high in vitamin C and contain antioxidant characteristics. As a result, lemon juice is excellent for colon cleaning. Mix the juice of 1 lemon with a pinch of sea salt and a little honey in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning. This will help you have more energy, have healthier bowel movements, and have better skin. Number 4. Raw vegetable juice. It is necessary to abstain from processed and cooked meals for 1 or 2 days in order to cleanse the colon. Drink fresh vegetable juice a few times a day instead of solid meals. Green vegetables are beneficial because they contain chlorophyll, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body. They also include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes, all of which help to keep your body healthy and provide energy. You can also drink herbal teas. Number 5. High fiber foods. Fiber-rich meals can also aid in the removal of harmful substances from the colon. Fiber keeps the stool soft and promotes bowel movement, which aids in the removal of waste items from the body. Fiber-rich foods can also help you get rid of any digestive issues you may have. Fresh fruits like raspberries, pears, and apples, as well as fresh vegetables like artichokes, peas, and broccoli, can help you attain more fiber in your diet. Cereals, whole grains, nuts, beans, and seeds are also high in fiber. Number 6. Yogurt. Consuming fresh yogurt on a regular basis is an excellent approach to maintain intestinal health. Yogurt is a probiotic item that can improve digestion by bringing healthy bacteria into the gut. Irritable bowel disease is another condition that it can help with. This is particularly true with yogurts with live and active cultures. Number 7. Flaxseed. Flaxseed, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural fibers, is an excellent way to cleanse your colon. Flaxseed absorbs water and expands in the colon, helping to push toxins and mucus out when waste passes through. It also has the ability to prevent cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Number 8. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a toxin-killing plant that also serves as a laxative. As a result, it's an excellent colon cleaner. Other health issues that aloe vera gel can help with include headaches, skin infections, diarrhea, stomach discomfort, and constipation. To prepare a few ounces of smooth juice, combine the juice of 1 lemon with fresh aloe vera gel in a blender. For a few days, drink this several times a day. Number 9. Ginger. Ginger is a popular component that can aid with bloating, digestion, and keeping the colon clear of waste and toxins. It promotes the passage of digestive fluids, which aids digestion. For colon cleaning, ginger may be used in any form, including grated, juiced, or chopped up pieces. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.